I think I broke the chair. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexisjayda and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out 2 new products, and this is the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation SPF 20 Brightening Complex for all skin types. And I did get the shade DC1. I think it's going to match me. I hope it's going to match me. I did do a vlog because you guys gotta check out the vlog. If you guys don't know about these 2 products right here, check out the vlog. It's pretty good. Check out the vlog. Check out the vlog. Okay, I'll leave it up and down below. And I will be trying the Physicians Formula Spotlight Illuminating Primer with age-defying actives. So yeah, we're gonna be trying these 2. So first, let's go in with the primer. These were around $13 each at Walmart. This looks pretty cool. Okay, I'm just gonna apply. My face is clean. Ay! So there it is right there. Ooh, it has kind of like a shimmer to it, like a glow. Okay, so I'm gonna apply this. Oh yeah, it has like some nice shimmer going on. Look at that. Doesn't smell bad or anything. So I'm gonna get a little bit on my forehead. Let's spotlight my forehead. Let's see. All right, it's looking pretty good. It looks pretty like, okay, all right, I'm feeling it. The packaging for the foundation just looks fancy. Like it just looks cool, you know? And again, I think I just broke the packaging because I don't think it's supposed to look like that. Like what the heck? Look at that. Okay, let's try it again. Are you supposed to twist it? Oh yeah, you're supposed to twist it. It's a it's a doe applicator. Okay, so my dumbass over here with my gains just took it off. Okay, let's try that again. Look how nice the packaging is. And then you twist it, don't pull. And there you go. Ooh, that smells like paint, but it kind of wants to smell like perfume. Dude, I'm really liking the contacts. They look really cool. Okay, so this looks pretty cool. So we'll do this side first, okay? I'm just going to, oh, and I think it's going to match me. I think so. I'm just going to apply that. And then going in with a Morphe blending brush, a Morphe sponge. Let's see. Yeah, it like matched me perfectly. It just blended in. It's gone. It blended in nicely. Okay. It's like a light coverage. I think that's why it says the healthy foundation, because it's just for your skin to look healthy and probably not, you know, cakey. It's definitely a light coverage, but I can see that there is coverage. This would be more for like those light days where you want, because it's nothing compared to the Makeup Revolution foundation. It has a doe applicator too. The review I did on that's like one of my favorite, and it has full coverage. But this is nothing like a full coverage foundation. Again, this is more like kind of feels like a BB. Like it honestly kind of feels and looks like if it's like a BB cream. But there's nothing wrong with that. There's sometimes where you want your skin just to look healthy and have that kind of like where it looks nice and glowy, and this definitely is doing that. So let me show you guys a little bit more up close. Foundation. No foundation. Ooh. Foundation. No foundation. Ooh. Okay, so you guys can definitely see that this does have some coverage, but again, it is very it's kind of like in the medium. I feel like it's like medium coverage, you know? So yeah, and you guys see kind of like the glow that I have going on with the spotlight. It definitely, I feel like, is gonna give it more of an oomph to the foundation and make your skin look even more healthier, because you have that kind of like glow going on, so it looks healthy. Okay, so let's do this side. Like that. And I love that the foundations are coming like this, because it's seriously so easy. Just like boom, get it like that, go in with your sponge, and then boom. Like I like pumps too, but I always pump it on the back of my hand. Always, never fails that I pump it on the back of my hand. Very rare when I want to feel like, you know, a little cool, a little fancy, I'll pop it on like my glass thing right here. But very rare that you'll see me do that. I'll end up pumping on the back of my hand, and it's not that big of a deal, but I'm just like, you know? So this, I love it. I know some people don't, and they're like, ugh, sanitary reasons, but I always think about it. Concealers, and lipsticks, they all have that applicator, so I don't really see it as that big of a big of a deal. But it's again personal preference to what tickles your pickle. So yeah, if you guys know where tickle your pickle is, why I said that, if you guys know, whoever knows, leave a comment and I'll send you something from the giveaway box. I just want to see who knows where that's from. I want to know if you guys know where that's from. Do my nose again. It's not from a show or anything. It's for the ones who watch the vlog. You guys are gonna know, like, okay, I know what she's talking about. Maybe, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm like adding like more and stuff. Okay, so there is that. So I'm gonna add more coverage right here. Let's see if it's buildable. I'm just gonna pat. It's buildable, but you still can like see my skin peeking through. Like, it's not like a full coverage foundation. Like if I were to go in and apply more Makeup Revolution, like you would see it. This is something where it's not like when you add more, it's not like, oh, you're gonna get that cakey look. You're gonna be okay getting away with applying a lot, because it's not gonna be cakey because it doesn't have that kind of like full intense coverage. So you can add more and you'll get a little bit more coverage, but again, it won't give you that cakey feel, and it won't look too like, oh, that's too much, you know? So yeah, just to let you know. So let's just use drugstore products. So going in with the Maybelline Master Conceal by Face Studio Camouflaging Concealer. This is in 30 Light Medium. Oh, you guys are so sweet. You guys are like really loving the contacts. I fucking love you guys. You guys are so freaking nice. Like, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna apply just a little bit right there and right here. This stuff is like full freaking coverage. This will hide all your problems. So the concealer mixed well with it. I like to see if a concealer will mix well with a foundation, because sometimes they just ain't having it. Okay, so the next thing I will be using is a Maybelline New York Master Camo Color Correcting Kit, and this is in 30 Deep. So I will be using the concealer part. I'm gonna go in with my finger, and I'm just going to apply it right there. I will be playing with my Wet n Wild Los Angeles 10-piece brush collection. This one right here. Look how nice these look. Thank you, Marcella. She got them from you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this one right here, which is the contouring brush, and I'm going to blend that in. Okay, so that blended like a dream. Sorry, my brother had popped in, you guys. You know, I was being nosy. It's like when I have them, so I'm like, what's up? What are you doing? What happened? This, that, because my brother works so much where I hardly get to see him. So when I do get to see him, I'm just like, tell me everything. We're gonna go in with setting powder. This is my all-time favorite drugstore setting powder. The LA Girl Pro Powder HD setting powder. This is in the shade Banana. It is so freaking good, you guys. If you are like, I don't know, try it. You will love it. I really liked how the Wet n Wild brushes blended everything. Like, it blended it nice. Then it has this cool little, I look weird. This cool little like thing right there. And then just, ooh. I'm just gonna let that bake for a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild powder brush. These are so soft. And I'm just going to sweep that in to the rest of my face. I'm gonna go in with the new LA Girl Glow Up Highlighting Jelly, and this one is in Glow Girl. So I'm gonna go in the Morphe sponge and just apply that. Woo. Okay, now for highlight, I will be using the Morphe and James Palette, and I will be using this shade right here where it says face. This is a highlighting one. And if you guys want a tutorial on this look right here, make sure to check it out. I will leave it up and down below. So going in with this shade, let's apply. I already have the other girl, so this is just gonna be a top. That's pretty, I can see it. Oh, that is gorgeous. Yeah, that really is pretty. Ooh, you guys see that? It's so hard not to want to go to like my Caquita shades for my lips because so freaking hard. Going in with my Maybelline Nude Master Fix by Face Studio Wear Boosting Setting Spray. So it's currently 3:15, so I'm gonna continue the day and I'll be doing check-ins. If we're vlogging, then I'll be doing check-ins when I'm out and about, not sitting here. So yeah, so let me zoom in so you guys can see how everything looks, and hopefully everything stays the same when I do my final check-in. So here's how everything looks. Forehead. So I'll do a couple check-ins. I'll try to do more than 2. Hopefully everything stays the same. Highlight, blush, bronzer, all the shalabong on my face. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, so it's 6:22. I'm in the back seat. My little Nana. I don't like her being in the back by herself, so I'm always back here with her. The quality is going to suck because I'm in the car and I just have that light on right there. But the foundation is holding up amazing. Like, let me zoom in. Oh, I don't gotta zoom in. Let me bring the phone closer. See? My skin looks so freaking good, you guys. Mira. Highlight is not playing, but look how good my skin looks. Okay, position formula. Okay. Mira. The physician formula looks freaking good, like really, really good. My skin looks healthy. Rudy was saying that it looks nice and stuff. Like my skin, it looks like I'm wearing foundation, but it's not like cakey. So yeah, the highlight, I really like how the highlight looks. Ooh, ooh. So I like it. So 6:22 again. I'll see you guys back at home. Hey beautiful, welcome back. So it's now 10:18. Yeah, it's been a long day, Christmas shopping, doing all that good stuff. So now let's go into the foundation and let's talk about it. Oi, oi, oi. I think I broke the chair. Looking at my foundation, I don't see anything to really complain about. My forehead looks okay. It's not settling into my fine lines or anything. It looks freaking good, you guys. Like, I would usually have it on my forehead because I do lots of facial expressions. I just do that a lot. But none of that. Not even right here because I'm always cheesing. My highlight is still on, my contour is still on, and my blush is still on. Everything is still on. It looks nice. It held up very, very well. For a drugstore foundation, it did amazing. It held up like a high-end foundation. It really is really good. It doesn't look cakey. It looks like what it says, the healthy foundation. Makes your skin look really healthy and pretty. It doesn't look bad at all. Like, I really like it. I really like it. It looks good. So let me zoom in. But I did get a little bit of oil on my nose. Nothing, no oil on my forehead or my chin. It's just mainly just my nose. That's it. So here's the foundation up close. Everything is still on. The nose is a little bit oily. Forehead looks good. Face, highlight is still on, contour is still on, blush is still on. Like, it's all still looking good. So I really like how everything held up. It looks really nice. No complaints. I can't even complain about it being full coverage because it doesn't claim to be a full coverage foundation. I definitely recommend it, especially if you guys love BB creams and you kind of want something that has like a medium coverage, not something that's like full coverage and looks really like, you gotta be careful with if you apply too much. Definitely recommend it. And I love the doe foot applicator. I like that a lot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my drugstore foundation review. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updated on my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!